My name is Dwayne Brown with the Office of Communications. On July 14th, NASA will make history with a spacecraft flyby of an object after traveling almost 10 years and more than 3 billion miles away from Earth. That object is Pluto.
Our mission is to innovate, explore, discover, and inspire with the encounter by Pluto New Horizons as it flies through the Pluto system and gives us our first close-up and personal view of the planet Pluto. And the Pluto New Horizons mission will cap off our grand tour to solar system. We're entering a new realm as the Pluto New Horizons zooms towards Pluto, the realm of the Kuiper Belt, a region that holds the story of the beginnings of our solar system. Pluto and its moons and the other objects that we will discover represent a new class of targets for our solar system exploration and beyond.
Mission last week on April 9th took a good look at Pluto again and Charon. Here we see with the Ralph instrument, visual imager, color imager, the first really great color observation of Pluto and Charon.
And the dot that you see at the lower portion of the screen that's in orbit is Pluto, which was discovered in 1930 and was sort of without context until the early 1990s when objects in the Kuiper Belt, which you see being revealed in this video, began to be discovered. This is an amazing and fundamental change in our view of the solar system. Before the 90s, we didn't know that this third zone of the solar system existed. We knew about the inner zone of the terrestrial planets, and we knew about the giant planets, what we now call the middle solar system. But this new third zone, as John Grunsfeld told you, a relic from the era of planetary formation, has so much new to teach us. It is the largest structure in the planetary system, containing comets like Rosetta's target, containing the building blocks of small planets, and small planets, not just Pluto, but others as well. This is a small, compact, highly advanced spacecraft, a real 21st century exploration spacecraft with tremendous capability that's in almost the most wonderful place you could ever imagine you could be as a scientist.
Pluto has 5 moons, 4 of which we didn't even know about when we started the New Horizons project. And these moons all orbit in a plane, and they all go in the same direction around Pluto. So the Pluto is actually like a miniature planetary system. And the details, the architectural details of this system are fascinating. And they'll tell us about Pluto's origin, and they'll also tell us about the conditions in the ancient Kuiper Belt where Pluto formed. We're going to Pluto because it's the human race's first opportunity to explore an entirely new class of world. That is, these are the small, icy planets of the Kuiper Belt. And we're going to Pluto because, of course, it's the most well-known, it's the largest, and it's the most complex of all of these small planets. I speak for the entire science team in that we are thrilled to be truly on final approach to Pluto.
This is an amazing opportunity for science education. It's an amazing opportunity for all of us, and we are so looking forward to it as scientists to go exploring this whole new realm of the solar system and this new miniature planetary system called Pluto and its satellites.